So what to do instead? I want to give you some solutions, okay? I don't want to end this webinar without just talking them fly. So these are things that I'm doing nowadays, okay? And I recommend you to try to do, okay? This is not something that I hear from someone or I read a blog or whatever. These are things that I'm doing and it's working for me personally. So I highly recommend you to try this. So the fact is that you can build your own stack, okay? You can save costs, you can do a lot of things here. So the logic works like this, okay? You will need to create your own URL, which is like an endpoint, okay? You will tell this to your developer. You don't need to care about this. It's super easy to integrate. The documentation is too easy to read, to be honest. So that's also an issue because Apple, I don't know how they are like a 3 trillion company and they don't spend money on this documentation that they share with the community. So the doc sucks, to be honest with you. But you can chat me if you need it. But basically, you will create your own endpoint. You will process your data, okay? You are going to receive some JSONs, which is like some small files with some parameters, and you will have the conversion value there, which is almost the same that the MMP is doing nowadays. And then you can start building your BI system, okay? This way, okay, you're going to have these benefits, okay? You're going to increase your gross margin per download, okay, that most developers are struggling with. You're going to reduce your operational cost. You're not going to be dependent on one vendor, for example, the MMPs, if you want to. You're going to eliminate the chance of data manipulation, this is really important. I can disclose the names of them, but I've seen some cases where SKAdNetworks were over-reporting like 300% against SKAdNetwork. And the guys from this network were telling me, hey, Lucas, after 3 years, you're the first guy that come to me with some postbacks and are challenging us to train again the algo. And I have some legal cases going on with these guys, and they are trying to change how they are optimizing in that accounts that I'm managing right now. But it's super shady. Okay, so this way, you're going to guarantee that you're going to see or make sense of data, and also, you're going to decrease the discrepancies for your postbacks because you're going to see everything, and you need to make sure that the integration with this partner is okay. So there are no intermediaries, so it's going to be working.